If you guys had a very productive 2023 and you made a lot of money through your company or on a personal level, I highly recommend you listen to this because you can save yourself hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxes. First of all, if you own real estate or don't own real estate, you want to start buying real estate so you can utilize the taxable planning tool called cost segregation, which means instead of utilizing the 27.5-year depreciation that you get through a residential property year after year, using cost segregation, you can accelerate all the depreciation, receive it upfront, and substantially reduce your state and federal income tax. So let's say you made a profit of $1 million and you bought an $800,000 property, you can most likely depreciate about $700,000 of that property, not including the land, to reduce your tax bill substantially. And if you have commercial real estate, you can reduce 39 years of depreciation all up front using cost segregation. This is actually a tool that a lot of high wealth individuals use to pay little to no income tax legally. Want to learn more about this or have any other questions? Don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.